do. Do it again. Show mommy again. Oh my goodness. You are so strong, Micah. Are you doing crunches? Uh-oh. You're going to have to go in your crib soon, Micah, man. Good job, buddy. Are you the strongest baby? You're so strong, mister. You're so strong, Mr. Man. What am I going to do with you? You can't stay in there anymore now, can you?